2, 1, go.
Hi, welcome to How to Eli. My name's Eli. Today, I'll teach you how to make the most awesome paper airplane ever. It does lots of spirals in the air while you fly. It is called the arrowhead paper airplane. This is what the finished model would look like. So first, flip your paper over like this, like I have it, and fold it like this. All right, now unfold that, turn it this way, and fold this into here, into the middle crease. Do that to the other side also. Now, flip your paper over and fold this into the middle crease. As you can see, an arrowhead is forming right there. So next, fold it over like this. From this to this. Got it? Next, fold it up like that. Straighten that out. Now do that to the other side to match it. Now you have your finished paper airplane. This will fly spirals in the air. Now let's go test it out. The point has to be straight like that. As you can see, it spirals in the air. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to subscribe. Bye!